Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. In my daughter's dorm room, and like this is her laundry basket. It's like falling apart. She had one of those cloth ones, and it like totally ripped apart. I finally found a much better laundry basket. So this thing has it folds up nice and cool, and it's got these little plastic togs that keep it in this nice compact size when you're not using it, which I don't know when that would be, but and it wants to just pop out and fold up into place. So you got a nice stand up laundry basket, and the cool thing about this is it's got aluminum handles, so you don't have to worry about like these flimsy plastic handles breaking on it or those cloth ones ripping. This one has a nice foam grip on it, two sturdy aluminum rings, and you can put a lot of clothes in that thing. And like I said, it stands up by itself, so pretty cool. And then you can fold it, make a travel size, and then with those little plastic tongs, and you can have it basically put itself away. That's the one side secure. And then that's the other side. So when you're not using it, it's nice and compact, so you can even bring it on vacation and travel. But anyway, Brian from Garage Hall with your new, fantastic, ultra portable, ultra sturdy laundry bag. All right, thanks for watching. Be safe out there.